Hi everybody, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can delete Instagram in bite messages. So to get started, go ahead and open up Instagram application. So let me tell you guys what invite message is. It is the message from the unknown person to join their channel or to follow their Instagram account. And once you have opened an Instagram application, go ahead to your chat section. Now here you can see the request option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see some of the requests, so I'll just go ahead and tap one of them. Now you can see written there that if you accept the message request from this person, you'll be able to call or reply to their text and many more. So I just don't want to contact to this particular person, so what I can do is simply tap on delete. Here if you delete this message, you can also hide new messages from this particular person. If you want to hide it, just enable it and confirm the deletion and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.